Need to cancel a payment on Revolut? Here's a quick and simple 2025 guide just for you. First, open your Revolut app and go to the Transactions tab. This is where you'll see all your recent payments. Tap the payment you want to cancel. If the payment is still pending, you'll see an option to cancel or revoke. Important note, once a payment is completed, especially if it's an instant transfer or card payment, it cannot be canceled through the app. In that case, your best option is to contact the recipient directly or reach out to Revolut support. For scheduled or recurring payments, go to the Scheduled or Recurring section. Tap on the payment, then select Cancel or Edit to stop future transfers. For direct debits, go to Hub, then Direct Debits. Find the active debit, tap it, and select Cancel Direct Debit. Final tip, always double-check payment details before sending, and if something goes wrong, Revolut's in-app chat support is quick and helpful. That's it. Now you know how to cancel or manage payments on Revolut in 2025. Like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.